1977 Chevrolet K5 Blazer. Here at Unique Specialty in Classics. 350 small block Chevy power underneath the hood. Paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic. 350 to be exact. And nicely equipped power steering, power brakes. Vintage AC. AC blows cold. As you can see, cowl induction hood, and that is a steel hood. Custom bumper up front. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. All those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Some custom things done to this vehicle, and we'll get to the interior in just a bit, show you some of that. But first, it's riding on polished wheels. Plenty of tread depth left on those tires. Newer paint job. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Also, you can see the polished running boards. Of course, removable top with roll bar setup. It will come with a folder full of receipts from previous work done in this vehicle, and I can hit on that just real quick. Bluetooth stereo installed in the interior. Also heated seats with a backup camera setup. Door seals have been replaced recently. Newer gauges and dash. We'll check those out in just a bit when we start it up. Let's hear it run. New soundproofing and carpet. It does have an aluminum radiator that's been added, oversized. Electric fans, high output alternator, and recently new front leaf springs installed. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Rear mounted spare, custom rear bumper. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like these full-sized Blazers, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at uniqueclassiccars.com. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And look at the underside. Nice clean underside of this vehicle. Came to us from the south, so it has not been around here its entire life. Newer column installed, tilt column. Door panels, custom speaker install, and little later model style seat with armrest, center console, and that does show some wear. A couple spots in the top. Those are heated seats. Very fun vehicles in the summer too, because like I said, you can remove that rear portion of the roof and side windows. Let's go ahead and start it up. There's your newer gauges and cluster as far as the dash and gauges go. Vintage AC controls, aftermarket stereo install. Let's talk about a rear backup camera. You can see that, kind of tough with the glare, much easier to see in person. Custom switches, of course, manual transfer case. Take a look at the top of the dash. There's also a couple remotes for stereo on the screen, I'm assuming. Center console added. A little rumble coming out of that small block Chev, 350 cubic inches. And it does have headers and true dual exhaust all the way to the rear. Tech did note just some minor seepage, the usual drivetrain stuff you'll see in one of these when they are driven. And you can get in, turn the key, and go. Jason's going to show you how it drives out at the end of the video. Technician also noted it drives out well. Goes down the road nicely. Let me go ahead and pause this. I want to get that hood popped. Check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap up this walk-around video. All right, underside of the hood, and again, steel cowl induction hood. Looks like we have a newer master cylinder, the forcing valve, brake booster, newer alternator, a vintage AC, Edelbrock carb. Electric fans, that aluminum radiator. Headers, of course. Pretty smooth runner, sounds good. 1977 Chevrolet K5 Blazer, number to call 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all those still pics, and remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1977 Chevrolet K5 Blazer, lifted to just the right height with some nice knobby tires on. When you get up to speed, you can hear those tires a little bit, but that's to be expected. This is an automatic on the column. We have aftermarket gauges in the dash. Aggressive exhaust note. Tachometer and speedometer are working as they should. The oil pressure is showing 50 pounds of pressure. The volts are right at 14. Fuel gauge showing half of a tank. The water temperature has not come off 100 yet. I'll let you know if that does. We have a stereo by Boss. Working. The blower motor blows air. We have vintage AC controls. The wipers work. There's even a rear camera with a screen down on the floor. Center storage. Rides as you would expect on the highway. The steering wheel's canted a little bit to the left, but that doesn't affect performance at all. What I think is the speedometer doing a little bit of squeaky. Oh yeah, that idle sounds great. Waiting for some traffic. Brakes feel good. Corners nicely. Stays pretty flat in the corners. We do have one chip in the windshield over here. Blazer to drive. Check out all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.